This is Morning Edition from NPR News. I'm A. Martinez.
And I'm Michelle Martin.
Support for Radio Catskill comes from The DeBruce in Livingston Manor, New York, a restaurant and hotel overlooking the Willowwemoc Valley, featuring 12 guest rooms, 2 restaurant experiences, and an endless backyard for fly fishing and hiking. TheDeBruce.com. From Grizzly Bagels, small batch, handmade, New York-style bagels in Roscoe, New York. GrizzlyBagels.com. And from listeners like you who donate at WJFFradio.org.
WJFF Jeffersonville, streaming online at WJFFradio.org. This is Radio Catskill, local news, culture, and NPR.